So we will create one new project on a name of linear layout. So on that we will go. Just a minute, it is loading. So here now I'm creating the new project. That is empty visa activity next. So here I'm giving that as a linear layout. So yesterday we seen that relative linear. So in this layout, like here it could not have the relations. So it should be the stateful, like here it has two orientation. We can align the components either in a vertical or in a horizontal. So like that we will add this so that we will see how it will work. So let first I close this project. So even this project also, whatever we are creating now, that will create with constraint layout, but we will change the from constraint to linear, and we will try that. Right. So now here, this is the layout. Here I'm changing this as linear layout, right? So here automatically the header also changed here. So I'm removing this. Even the text we also I'm removing. Like same yesterday, here also we will add multiple buttons, and then we will see how that will be aligned. So I'm adding the button. Just a minute. Once it is come from selection, automatically the height width properties will generate. Just will wait. The project still it is loading the project. Still it is taking time, just a minute. Today it is taking too much of time to load the project. Yeah, so I'm taking this button. Right, so button has height and width. So both I'm taking here wrap and wrap content, right? For this particular button, I want to display some ID. So that is BT1. And some text. So I want to display some text on the button. So that is one. Then after that, I'm giving margin like yesterday. I'm giving the margin as a 10. That's it. Right. So I have given these properties. Like here now, I want to multiple buttons, like around 10, 12 buttons we will take here. So for that here, see, once I'm taking here, automatically the buttons are adding side. So here, I have pasted multiple buttons here, but all are went outside. Like in case here, if I'm changing this landscape here, so here automatically it is coming here like this. Right, just a minute. See here now, if I'm changing this, like see here, just I'm having this here. All the buttons are side by side, but I don't want like that, right? I want to be some different design. So to do that, first here we will align the data here one by one. See here, first I'm changing the all IDs here. So this is the 3. So one by one we'll go and we'll modify here. This is the 3. So 4. Here it is the 4. So this is the 5. And here it is 5. So this is 6. So this is 6. Then 7 is 7. 8. It is 8. Right here it is the 9. So this is 9. 10. 10. 11. Right. So this is the last button. I have 12. 12. Right. So buttons aligned as like this. But now I don't want like this. So normally this linear layout has 2 orientation, but default orientation has horizontal. Horizontal means it's a left to right. So here I'm giving an orientation as vertical. See, once I have given orientation as vertical, it aligned in a top to bottom in a single line. But I don't want like this. I want in a different design. So to do that different design here, that means I need multiple rows. So to do multiple rows here, what I'm doing here, I'm taking another sub layout that is here. So I'm taking the other sub layout in this. So that is a linear layout. So that match parent wrap content means this is a sub layout. For this, I'm taking the orientation as horizontal. Then, so this is the one first I'm taking this here. After this, in the first row, I want only one button. So I have closed after that linear layout, right? Then here I'm assigning one other linear layout. So in this here, I require two and 3 in a second row. So then I have closed linear layout there. So 2 and 3 are assigned here, right? Again, I want third row. So if you want third row, here again I'm taking one more linear layout. Here I need 4, 5, and 6. 4, 5, and 6. Then here this, right? Then after that, I need 4 buttons. 7, 8, 9, and 10. I want like this, right? So for that, what I'll do here now, till 10, right? Till 10, I want in this line. So after the 10, again, I'm closing the linear layout, right? Then After that, again, I need 3 more buttons. So I need 3 buttons. So I have to do this. So I want 3 buttons. 3 buttons means we need to add few more buttons here. First, we will close this. Right here, I need 3 buttons. That is 13, 13. Right. Then in a next row, I want 2 buttons. So let copy this. Okay, let us copy this till this row. Again, I paste here, right? So that create a next row. Here, here it is 14. So this is 14, right? I have changed this is a 14. So this is 14. So then 15. So these 2 buttons I need here, right? And after that, this is not required here. So it is created 2 buttons. Then I need last 1 button. So for the 1 button, what I'll do is just I'll copy this button so that this will be here 15. Last button I'll create 16 here. 1 more button. So this will be 16. Right. So 16. I have created the design like this. Done. So means here in a linear layout, when you want to create different views, so we have to do like this. Means we have to do the line by line with using the concept called sub layouts. Right. So that we have to do here step by step. This is right. Now for this, what we have to do? So we have to update here, like here. This means we align here. If you want to align left to right, that is horizontal, and top to bottom, it is on a vertical, right? Now in this, I want to add some of the things like here. This all the rows are there, but these all the rows I want to be in equal space. To assign equal space, to assign that we will see here. So then I'm applying some background color for this to understand the property. So I have given this background. Here there is a special property called weight. So I have given the property has weight 1. So then here I'm giving that some background color for this as followed by something. See it like this. So these two we will align, like means what happens, 1 means automatically for how many rows we applied, how many rows or columns we applied, that can be adjusted automatically based on this weight here. See. Now that is equal to, means now once we apply, this is for all the rows could be in a single format. See next. So 7 here, again I'm applying here. For every row I'm applying here. Right, next 11. Here in this color it is not displaying. Right, next 14 and 15. Last one for the last button. See now how many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Means here 100 divided by 7 means an approximately 16% of this it will come. Each will occupy 16% of the height it will occupy. In case see, if I change the orientation here, landscape also, here also it is the same 16% of this like this. So this is the one advantage here with this, right? So in case if I don't want an equal, I want to be unequal space. Like first row should be 20%, second row should be 10%, like that also we can do. If you want to do that here for the parent, here we have to give that weight sum 100. I'm giving that weight sum as a 100. See, once I given weight sum as 100, automatically it is reduced. Here, first one, I'm giving 10%. So for the second row, here it is, I'm giving 15%, 25, right? Then a third, it is 15, 40. So till it is 40 completed, 60 pending, right? And here 10, 60, 60%, 50% completed, 50% is pending. Right, next. Here 15, 65. Then next after 12. Here it should be 10, 75. So for last year, I'll give 10, 80. Right, remaining 15% is empty. Like this also, we can give unequal percentage also. When you give unequal percentage, so that you should give as the in this manner. Like here, you have to give this. That we have to do this. So this is equal and unequal percentage. Hope this is clear. Or you have any questions?
No, sir, it's clear, sir.
Yeah, it's clear. But here now you can observe in this row. So these three buttons are equal, but this button is not equal. It is a small size, right? I want
Yes,
even these buttons also equal size. So for that here, now directly here, I can give the, for the buttons also, I can give the weight 1. Okay, so this I can give for this all the buttons. So for 8, for 9, and for 10. So I have given this. Now you can see all the buttons are in equal size. Means this property we can give in top to bottom. Horizontal, either horizontal or vertical. In any of the manner you can give this. Right. So this is about the linear layer. Right. Hope this is clear.
Yes,
So
sir.
now I'm giving a task here. So Windows 7 calculator. Go to images. Here you can design this. Only I need these buttons. From here to here, I need only buttons. Using these buttons, you can do the using linear layout and using relative layout, you can try this.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So hope you are clear. Any confusions?
No, sir, it's clear, sir.
Yeah, that's why just initial. I hope by end of the next week I can go very lesser time only, because you once you have to habituate that the coding, then we will go little bit. We'll spend more time. Is it fine?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. So just you can practice these two layouts, and tomorrow we'll see the table layout. Then to day after tomorrow we'll enter into the Kotlin programming also.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So for the today you can practice this. We'll see it.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Will you send this video, sir?
Sorry.
Are you going to send this video, sir?
Sunday? No.
No, sir. Are you going to send this video in group, sir?
Yeah. I'll send. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yesterday I sent that that channel belongs to me. You can subscribe that channel.
Okay, sir.
So you will get the updates there. Okay.
Okay.
No.
Thank you, sir.